Now it's working! Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci.com here. Wow, what a red all the way! Red. How are you this morning? How are you this evening? How are you this afternoon? I hope you have your stop loss ready. We are going red. Finally, we are going red. Hi Shai, hi Ingrid, Shlomi, Eli, Amir, technical issues, but we are past them. What do we see? SPY going down 0.9%, QQQ is going down 1.4%, IWM going down 0.6%, and the Dow going down 0.24. Are we in the pullback? Hi Avi, hi. How is everybody doing? I hope everybody have a pretty nice day because we are going to the red today. Finally some red. We have been waiting for this pullback for some time, right? All we wanted is to buy the stocks that we love a little bit more cheaper. Look at this. Now let's zoom in to this broadening formation. Look at this broadening formation. Holding price. Can we get the same bounce we got over here? Back all the way to here. Maybe, maybe not. This is how it looks on the 1 hour. These are, by the way, these are the futures, the SPX futures. We are now at the 618 Fibonacci retracement. 5600 needs to hold. This is how it looks. Nvidia going down 4 point, how much? Nvidia is down 3.6, AMD 4.4, Apple 2%, SOXX 3%, Palantir 2.6, AVGO 3.3. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Everything is crashing. It's doomsday in the stock market. That's it. Sell everything. It's gone. It is gone. Everything is gone. Right? Some kind of a pullback. Do we have any English speaking in the crowd? Somebody speak English? Let me know in the chat. Do you speak English? If not, we will start to X viewers. Do we have any X viewer in English? Do we have any YouTube viewer in English? Anybody speaking English? If so, let me know. We will continue speaking in English. If not, we will start speaking in Hebrew. Who is no, the English speaking are working already. 8:36 a.m. New York time. Everybody's on their way to work. They start working 9 o'clock. What else? Who else do we have? So that's it. Bitcoin crashing 0.23. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get in proportions. We are only 0.9% to the downside on the SPY. QQQ 1.4, IWM 0.5, Dow Jones 0.2. And by the way, before we continue, small announcement for my Hebrew speaking viewers. Avi, thank you very much. You see, Avi is learning English, not only stocks, also English. Very important to know English. By the way, if you get WhatsApp from this number, this is not my number. It's a spam. It's a scam. Call it whatever you want. This is not me. So just block it. Block this number. If you get WhatsApp from this number, I don't have WhatsApp groups for now. Maybe in the future, but for now I don't have any WhatsApp group. And if I want to talk to my Discord members, I just approach them through Discord. So make sure you remember this number. And if this number approaches you through Discord or through WhatsApp or through whatever, it is not me. So pay attention. Pay attention. And by the way, this is our Fibonacci Traders Discord if you want to join. All the links in the description below. We have day traders, we have swing lounge, we have options, crypto, also in Hebrew, day traders, swings, futures, special requests, general chats, and more and more and more. And by the way, of course, you have the Fibonacci Traders Fibonacci Traders 60 minutes crash course. You have it in Hebrew, you have it in English. All. Let me share it with you. 1 second. For the Hebrew speaking. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. This is for the Hebrew speaking. It's more like 1 hour and 20 minutes, I think, in Hebrew. This is the crash course, the 60 minutes crash course in Hebrew. Everything that I know, just under 100 minutes. I tried to compress it in 60 minutes. I couldn't. So if you want to become a better trader, if you want to know how I trade, how I find setups, how I make money through trading, start with this. Start with this, the 60 minutes crash course. And if you want, for the English speaking, it's the first link in the description below. And of course, if you want, I'm just stalling because I want everybody to relax. Some red in the eyes. Just relax. Take a breath. It happens. And if you want, you can also buy me coffee because I go live 2 times a day. Pre-market, as we are now, and we are going also halftime show, 6:59 p.m. Israel time, 11:59 a.m. New York time. So if you want to support my channel, just buy coffee. It's just instead of the usual super chat. Just instead of the usual super chat. For some reason, because I'm in China, Google does not let me show ads nor let me super chats. So who did I miss? Hi Ram, let me know who speaks English here. Ram Raj speaking English. Danik, hi. Ori or Uri wants Intel. What else? Ram Raj is speaking English. We will stay in English because we all understand English, but Ram does not understand Hebrew. So, what do I think about Nvidia? Nvidia is going down towards the 118 area. This neckline of this double top needs to hold. Otherwise, this gap, we have a gap here, will get filled. Then we have another small gap over here. And then we have another small gap over here. Thank you, Obstacle, for subscribing. You will see Obstacle just in a few seconds over here. His name with this dancing emoji. So for now, no long on Nvidia. No long on Nvidia. Why do I use logarithmic? Because I found it more helpful to make better decisions. Hi Zorik. Avi, thank you very much. Thank you, Ingrid. We love you also. NTLA, Nutella. No, just kidding. It's not Nutella. By the way, let me know in the chat. Let's settle the debate once and for all. Nutella for the English speaking, for the Hebrew speaking, for my Israeli viewers. Nutella or Shachar? What do you prefer? Nutella or Shachar? Nutella or Shachar, ladies and gentlemen. NTLA going up broke above a very tough resistance area. Now let's see continuation towards where? Put the FTI. You know what to do. Put the FTI. Now long continuation towards the 29 and 31, as long as we are above this area of the 26. Danny wants Shachar. Only Shachar. Okay, Shachar. Nutella. What else do we have? Jumaya. Let's check. Erez wants AMD. AMD going down pre-market pretty hard. 4.3% to the downside. Nothing much on AMD, my friend. If you are already long, manage your risk a little bit more tighter. If you are not long yet and you're looking to go long, in my opinion, this is not the time. Jumaya. Let's check. Jumaya, the African Amazon. Will Jeff Bezos buy it? Rumors are rumors until they are proven not to be rumors. Jumaya holding now the 1280, below it, back to the 1144 after this bull run. Some kind of a pullback to the 1150 area will not be surprising. Intel, what's going on with Intel? Pre-market. Where's Intel? Pre-market. One second. What's going on with Intel pre-market? Green 4.4%. Right. Nice. Breaking pre-market this very tough area of resistance. Now let's see if it can hold and close the day above the 35.50, and then we are heading the 37 gap and the 39 gap. As long as Intel is above the 34, 33 area, we are good to keep our long position. What else? You are more than welcome, my friend Ram. Hi, Danik. Intel we talked just about now. UPST. What's going on with UPST? Wow, what a gap up. Nice gap up, breaking above the uptrend trend line. Now, where is pre-market? Sorry, it was default. Fault in trading view. Look where it explicit. Thank you very much for subscribing. Now look at this. UPST 30.8 pre-market went all the way up yesterday to this upper trend line. Now let's see, 30 needs to hold, otherwise back, retesting this massive resistance, the 28. Long continuation above yesterday's highs towards 35, 30 and 39. What else? Shai wants Geo. Every day we talk about Geo. What do we have today about Geo? And as you can see, my internet is crashing by the minute. Geo, Monday gapped up. Now the 1685 needs to hold the support. Long continuation, and you will see 1950. As long as 1685 is holding, you are good to go. What else? Nutella or Shachar? Nutella or Shachar? Nutella or Shachar? Of course, only Nutella. Only Nutella. Only Nutella. Only. MOAT. Let's check MOAT. Of course, Nutella. Shachar is nothing. It's... Just to explain, in Israel we have a local chocolate paste. If it's chocolate, it's maybe 0.01% chocolate. All the rest is just sugar, white sugar, and brown, I don't know, food color. Of course, only Nutella. Who eats Shachar? MOAT. Let's see continuation. Yesterday went up 1.5% to the upside. Let's see continuation, and we will see 90, 70, and 92. As long as we are above the 88, we are good to go. SMCI. Let's check SMCI. Of course, Nutella, Nutella, ladies and gentlemen. Nutella. Nutella. SMCI continues to stuck below the 299, the 922, you see? Inside the very tight price action, now pre-market breaking to the downside. 825 is the next support, below it 773. For now, bearish on 3 out of 4 time frames. Not looking good for SMCI. Chips are down, of course chips are down. The whole market is down. SOXX is down because AMD is down, Nvidia is down, but zoom out, ladies and gentlemen, zoom out. Look at the SOXX. Since April until yesterday's closed, 32% to the upside. Now trying to break this uptrend channel, needs to hold the 251. Below the 251, we're heading back to the 242. If you're looking to go long on SOXX, today, in my opinion, is not the time. RK. Let's check RK. RK continues its way to the upside, but pre-market, RK, now it's at the 48 area. The 48 needs to hold the support. Long continuation above yesterday's highs. And we will see 51 and 53. Coin. What's going on with coin? I don't want to reload the tab. I want to check coin. Coin looking good. We have a gap over here. Let's see continuation above yesterday's highs towards the 264 area. Pre-market, a little bit red. The 242 needs to hold, and then 235. These are the supports. Once you put the FTI on your chart, ladies and gentlemen, you don't need me anymore. Once you put the FTI on your chart, you can unsubscribe from the channel because you will have everything that I know on your chart. And if you put the FTI on your chart and you buy the crash course, that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, you are 80% above all other traders. 80% above all other traders. All you need to do, if you really want to become professional trader, and what I mean by professional trader, you don't need to sit in front of the screens like me, because I'm also day trader. Professional trader, you can be swing trader. You don't need to sit 12 hours in front of your screens. You do your homework during weekend, Saturday or Sunday. You prepare your watch list, 5, 6, 7 stocks. You put the alert, and that's it. You go on your way. Once the alert is set up, set off, you buy or sell according to your set of rules. If you don't have set of rules, the Fibonacci crash course is for you. I start from A to Z. By the end of this crash course, you will have specific set of rules. How to look for A+ setups, how to manage risk, where to buy, where to sell, how to manage position, where to add to a winning position, how to maximize profits, and how to minimize losses. All this, the crash course, just. Hi Itzik, how are you? This is the crash course. Do yourself a favor. Stop following others, including myself. Just stop, do it. Crash course in Hebrew, also crash course in English. Coin stuck under this downtrend line. Let's see continuation, and then we will see 264 and 280, 242 and 236 needs to hold. The owner of Shachar is your neighbor. Tell him I'm pretty sure he also eats Nutella. Yeah, cocoa paste and I cannot say it. It's too early. I think I need to sell SMCI in a loss. It seems bad. You need to put your stop loss. And if you don't know how to handle stop loss, you know what to do. LPA. LPA. What is this? Sorry, explicit? No. not in my channel. This kind of stocks I do not analyze, not because I cannot, because these are meme stocks in my opinion. Sorry, but no. Of course, Zorik. TNA, are we going to see fix today in Russell? For now, the IWM is going down 1%. Only 1%. Proportions, ladies and gentlemen. In the past 4 trading days, 10.4% to the upside. Pre-market, 1%. Less than 1%. What else? What else? AE. What is Armageddon? What is this kind of stock? Are you sure? I don't have this. Sorry. ID stare, I don't have this. Remark. What are these names? Where? In Britain? In Germany? Where? This one, OTC? I cannot, sorry. I can, but I don't do it. I don't do this kind of penny stocks. Sorry. Adobe. Adobe looking pretty good. Starting to bounce back. Let's check if my internet will work. Adobe, as long as we are above the 551, we are good to hold our long. If we're not long yet, I would wait for continuation above yesterday's highs. Zorik, I want to let more people to ask questions. Please understand me. You can always you have a direct line to me on Discord. You know it. XBI looking awesome. Awesome. XBI looking very, very good after breaking the yellow zone. Now, the yellow zone needs to hold the support. Long continuation. And we'll see 106 and 111. KRE for Sharon. KRE looking very, very good. But the rest of the market is taking some pre-market downside. 1.5% pre-market. As long as you're above the 53.80, you are good to stay long. And if you don't know, this is the Fibonacci Traders YouTube channel. This is our channel, ladies and gentlemen, the Fibonacci Traders YouTube channel. All you need to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell every day. Today, I was too lazy, so I uploaded only in English version, but with subtitles. But usually I post every day, 12 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Israel time, the stock market recap in English and in Hebrew. And of course, you have the playlist, the Fibonacci Traders Academy playlist. 40 videos free on how to become a better trader on the technical side and the psychology behind trading. So all you need to do is hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you won't miss any future videos. KRE continues to the upside. What else do we have? What else? Pan W for Fadi. Let's check Pan W. Ingrid, thank you very much for your coffee. I do appreciate you. Amir, thank you very much. Thank you very much for Ingrid and Amir. Ingrid, if you have any question, I will answer it. Once again, thank you very much for Amir and Ingrid for buying me coffee. Pan W still stuck between the 333 and the 344. Long only above 345 even. Below the 332, this gap will get filled, but for now, just sideways move. What else? What else do we have? Carry we talked about. Pan W we talked about. Shuli, I'm sorry, but if you need to ask anybody on social media, and it doesn't matter who they are, if you need to sell IWM, and if you sell IWM and when to sell IWM, I'm sorry, but you need to take break from trading, because if I will tell you don't sell and the IWM will crash today 5%, you will say Tamir told me not to sell. And if I will tell you to sell and for some reason today will go green and tomorrow 5% to the upside, you will say I sold because Tamir told me to sell. Right? Don't follow anyone on social media. Do not. As long as, in my opinion, as long as we're above 214, you are good to go. XBI we talked about. Carry we talked about. TPIC. What is this? TPIC. What's the volume on this one? Let's check. Volume. Nice volume. Nice curling up. Let's take Fibonacci in the past 34 trading days. Now, breaking above the yellow zone. Very nice. Look how everything follows price, right? Look, price goes up, volume goes up, right? Everything follows price, ladies and gentlemen. Everything. Even volume follows price. Now you can take also the normal Fibonacci. 525 is next, and then 573. Baba for favor. Let's check Baba. Apologize for my slow internet today, but it is what it is. Baba not looking good. It's not looking good. Yes, we have higher lows, but we have also lower highs. Pre-market going down. I don't like it. I don't like the way it looks. I don't like the setups. This setup. Next support is the 75.77. This is the next support, and resistance, of course, it's here at the 80.30 area. XOM. If my internet will be a little bit faster. What's going on with this? Yeah, we are going down, back again. Can we break this one? Breaking below the 56.07. We are going to the 55.93 and back to the 55.70. Breaking below this broadening formation. Breaking below a broadening formation is never a good sign. Never. Which means we are going lower. For now, we are going lower. Take the Fibonacci. Here, 56.04 is the support. Below it, all this rest. And you can take also trend lines. Trend is your friend. And for now, as long as we are below this red line, we are going south. XOM. XOM, as long as you're above the red line, you're good to go long. And if you're not long yet, I would wait for a break above this red line, the 116, 117 area. URNM. Denic. Uranium. Let's see uranium. Uranium looking not good. Tried to bounce here, but going back to the 49 area. Just put the FTI. No need to stress yourself. Now the 48.70 is the next support, and all this area, the 52 is the resistance, bearish on all time frames. Thank you very much, Ram. I do appreciate you also. Camtech for Eric. Let's see what's going on with the internet today. What is going on? Camtech starting to curl down, but we are still inside this option channel, right? As long as this red line is holding, you can hold your long if you're long. If you're not long yet, pre-market going down. 119 now needs to hold, otherwise 114. Do not take any actions according to pre-market, ladies and gentlemen. Do not take actions according to pre-market. IBB for Guy. Guy, how are you, my friend? Long time no see. How is everything in Panama? IBB. What's going on with IBB? As long as 144.18 holding a support, looking good. Looking good. Next resistance you have here, the 153 and 158. Jumaya, we talked about Lital few minutes back. ADM, let's check ADM. Come on. ADM, Archer Daniels Midland Company. Look at the yellow zone from resistance, now holding a support. Now let's see continuation above the 65, and then this gap at the 67. Look at the FTI, also helps you identify gaps. Above 65, this gap at the 67 will get filled. I will put my alert over here. I'm flying on the 28th. 28th until August 18, I think. 20 days. I will be in Rome, I will be in Tuscany, I will be in Firenze, maybe in Pisa. I need to go to Pisa, right? You know who lives in Pisa? Leonardo Fibonacci. And we will go to Amalfi, and we will go to Sicily, and hopefully we can be in more places. But Bar, if you want so many, I do appreciate you coming to these lives, but dude, one per person. If you want more, you're more than welcome to join the Fibonacci Traders Discord. There you can ask as many as you want, and you will get my full support. Check the links in the description below. The gold membership for the Fibonacci Traders Discord. All Discord channels will be available to you, and the FTI. Hood. So I will do Hood for Bar. Hood looking good. Looking good. Uptrend until proven otherwise. As long as you are above the 23, you are good to go long. 26 and 27.75. AMD we talked about. What do you mean he meant AMD? Who meant AMD? I don't understand. AMD we talked about. Eli says Amalfi is amazing. I don't know. I never been in Italy. Never been. Never been in Italy. Ingrid, thank you very much. Talk to me on Discord. Send me your Discord user on Discord, and you will get 2 months free to the Fibonacci Traders. Ingrid, thank you very, very much. I don't care. Ellie, it's August. Of course it's hot. It's all hot everywhere. It's hot everywhere, but I do appreciate the suggestions, the feedbacks. The guy asked ADM, yeah, will you be in contact with us on your vacation? In the Discord, of course, but I will try to take some time off trading. I need it. I really need it. But if you are a Discord member, of course, I will try to be as much as available as I can be. Because I have Discord also on my phone, And as you know, I try also on my vacations wherever I go, if I go to Thailand, if I go to Israel, I'm pretty much always available for my Discord elite team of traders. What else? What else? NVIDIA we talked about. What do I think about Ethereum? Ethereum, as you can see, no, this one, this is Luna. This is Ethereum. Major support over here. Now, let's take Fibonacci, clean the chart. Put the FTI. By the way, like, subscribe, ladies and gentlemen, will be much appreciated. And don't forget to hit the notification bell because we are going live once again, 6:59 or 6:58 Israel time and 11:59 a.m. New York time for the halftime show. So make sure you join us. It's always interesting at the halftime show. Ethereum now stuck at the 35.30 area, the upper board of the yellow zone. The 33.90 needs to hold, and then we are back to the 32.57. Long continuation above the 35.30 area, and we will see 37 to the upside. What else? What else? Yeah, everybody went to Amalfi. I'm the only one did not go to Amalfi. Any suggestions how to save money in Amalfi? From my short YouTube search and Google search, I found that Amalfi, you need to sell a kidney or two to enjoy there. I have only 2 kidneys. So what else do I have to sell? Just kidding. Just kidding. What do we work for? What do we work for? Have fun, right? Family vacations. The only thing that stays after we are gone, it's not the house, it's not the car, it's not the watches. Memories. After we are gone, our family stays, our kids especially, and grandkids, if we will have, stays with our memory. Memory. Ingrid, send me wait. Ingrid, you just got upgraded. Free 2 months because you just purchased the crash course. Ingrid, thank you very much. I do appreciate. I'm here for you on Discord for any question that you have. What else? Uber. Let's check Uber. Oh, it's already 9:10. In 19 minutes more until the opening bell. It's going to be pretty crazy today. Make sure you are ready. Uber finally breaking above this area of resistance. Now long continuation above yesterday's highs towards the 78 and 83. PanW we talked about. Thank you very much. ADM we talked about. Shochi we talked about ADM. You asked ADM and I talked about it. Meta. Let's check Meta. Meta looking not good. Meta is heading to close the gap. Maybe even pre-market, it's below the gap. Where's the pre-market for Meta now? 479. You see at the gap. This gap is filled, but now you have this gap. This gap is filled. It will be filled. Touches the 474, breaking down and under, you will see 454. This is what happens when you break an uptrend. You go straight down very fast. The 475 needs to hold. Pan W we talked about. On. Let's check on. What's going on with on? On, not ono. On. For those who visited Italy, if you were in Tuscany, I will appreciate suggestions. On. Struggling with the lower board of the yellow zone, the 39.20 area, very tough resistance. Now the 37.80 needs to hold the support. You have a gap over here. Careful, long continuation, and you will go and see this gap getting filled. MicroStrategy will be the last one. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining this live. I do hope you find it helpful, educational. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, check the notification bell because we are going live at the midday halftime show. And check the links in the description below. Choose your path to financial freedom with me, Tamir, Fibonacci Traders. I will do everything in my power to help you do one thing. Make money in trading. That's it. No BS. No special magic. No crystal ball. But I will help you make money. MicroStrategy. Now, second day in a row, breaking up and above. Let's see continuation. As long as MicroStrategy needs to hold the 1530 area, we are above this red line. Let's see continuation. 1734, 1880, and 2063. Eli, thank you very much for your suggestion. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. I will see you all in just less than 3 hours. Hit the notification bell. I'll see you then. Until then, stay safe.